Hey everyone, my name is Rimas and welcome to this video. I'm pumped to show this because first of all, I had no idea how these guys did it when I first started with ClickFunnels, and secondly, as you can see, there's this highlighted portion inside a headline, and that's pretty amazing because it kind of took me a while to figure that out, and just right now I'm gonna show exactly how I did it. So like under 5 minutes you can have this set up in your account, and after that you will be able to use this over and over and over again. Okay, cool. So let's start with how to differentiate the bold color versus the regular color. Okay, I have here below the same headline, same everything. Okay, it's just the color that's different for now. So what I will do is, as you can see, I have what if people as bolded in orange color here, and below it I have paid you big this year. Okay, so I will select this and I will click on bold, or it's Command B or Control B if you use a Windows machine. Command B, it's on Mac. Now I have this part bolded, so I will go here into the settings of this element and to the bold color. So text color is this text right here. Let's make that red. So as you can see, that one changed to red, but this one stayed to black because it's the bold color is black. Let's call it, let's make it, I don't know, blue for this specific example. Cool. So this is pretty easy. I mean, as you can see right now, it will be like, okay, so that's all. Yeah, that's kind of all. But what if you want to do like a highlight version like this one here? As you can see, there's like no yellow involved like anywhere. It's because you cannot do it out of the box with ClickFunnels, but I'll show you a super simple way to do that. So you'll have to go, like, let's say it's paid you. You want to highlight the paid you part, okay? You go there and select this strike button. So you create this strike. Don't worry, that won't be present in a final version of it. Then you'll have to go to the custom CSS code up here, and you will have to put just ignore this code below for now. Focus on this. You'll have to add that there, and here you can add the background color. It can be like, I don't know, blue, for example, or orange. I put yellow there, so let's take this one. So I have a yellow. You can put whatever you want. Okay, you'll have the code down in the description. Now you have to copy this. So it's funnel plate highlight. It's super important to have that. The algorithm will use that code to figure out where to apply this, because you might need strikes here and there. So for example, I want to put a strike on me. Like, probably you don't want to meet Jessica, so I'll just strike that. So you want to go to these settings here, down here to get CSS info, and change this to the funnel plate highlight and click on update. Super important, click update. Do not click outside this pop-up because it will not update you. And boom, there you have it. You have a highlighted color right here, right in front of your eyes. It's kind of cool if you think of it. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is custom CSS, copy this code, and then apply it as I told you there. If you want to have like, I don't know, blue, as you can see, this changed to blue, or you can put any CSS color in there. It will change it to that specific color. Let's put yellow for this example because it looks cool and I like it, making it look cool. You'll have the code down in the description, and if you want to see more hacks like this, more tips and tricks, and more easy ways of making your funnel stand out, let me know. I'm here for you, and I want to make this as easy as possible and just make it look great for you guys. Comment down below.